Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, ain't feeling easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, ain't feeling easier to make you fly. Here we go.
So ICAO is International Civil Aviation Organization. There's two things you have to remember. Please, I've repeated it 3 times. I will not be repeating it again. You have to remember this. International Civil Aviation Organization comprises of governments of all the countries in the world. I've already given you the details. I have given you the notes of how many countries it comprises of, and it's the biggest organization in aviation, comprising of the governments. The governments decide everything about the airlines. Next comes the IATA. IATA is like a voluntary membership. You can either join or you can't join. Cannot join, depends on the airline. So that is just so that the passengers get equal opportunity, it's easier for your movement from one place to another, easier for your baggage, easier for your security, easier for it. So all the airlines which join in IATA have a common rules and regulations. Okay, so IATA gives you codes for the airlines, which normally you use in the at the airports. Like Air India will be AI, Jet Airways was 9W, Indigo will be 6E, like all different kinds. ICAO designator is different. Right now you need to know ICAO designator, but right now you need to know IATA designators more than ICAO designators. In your book it's also given a call sign. That is not for you, that's for the pilots. It's a calling to the control tower. They have to use certain words to identify themselves. Those are the call signs. So we will start writing. We will write country, three columns: country, airline, code. Start with A. Country USA. Airline, American Airlines. IATA code AA. Next, India. My mistake again. Cut out the USA one. I'll give you from ABCD. My mistake. Cut out the USA one. Write the first one. Country in A, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Airline is Ariana. Afghan Airlines. Ariana. I'm giving the spelling. Ariana. Afghan Airlines. Ariana Afghan Airlines. A. Okay. Afghanistan. Their code is FG. F for Foxtrot, G for what? Golf. Next, write write the country's name, Australia. Airline Qantas. Qantas. Code is QF. QF, sorry. QF.
Quebec Foxtrot.
Thank you. Good, good, good. Happy, good. Okay. Airlines is Qantas. I've written it. Qantas. Australia हो गया. Then the AA. Leave a couple of lines in case I find something. Leave 2, 3. Bahrain. Sorry. Bahrain. Airline is called Gulf Air. Designator code GF. Got it? Next, Bangladesh. Next, Bangladesh.
Yes, ma'am. What is airline? Like Bahrain Airline.
Gulf Air. Gulf Air. Next, Bangladesh. Airline is Biman Bangladesh. Airline code BG. Next, Bhutan. Bhutan. It's Truck Air. I don't know what is happening. Truck Air. Truck Air. Code is KB. The code was FG. Brunei is the next country. Airline is Royal Brunei Airlines. Royal Brunei Airlines. Designated code BI. BI.
Ma'am, can you repeat the airlines of Brunei?
Royal Brunei Airlines. Royal. Mic off, please. Mic. Got it? Now you come to C. Cambodia. Country, Cambodia. Airline, President Airlines. President Airlines. Code PO. Please put it in capital, PO. Next country, China. Airline is Air China. Code is CA. China has many airlines. Don't write. Like Air China, China Eastern Airlines, China Northern, West Airlines, China Northwest Airlines. Only one you need to know. Air China is good enough. C. Home. Now we come to hold on a minute, please. Okay. Leave a couple of lines after A, B, C, D, whatever, so that we can add. If I miss, we can add. Okay. UAE takes in C. Add Canada. Add Canada. Airline is Air Canada. Code is AC. In E, just leave two lines. I'm not getting anything in E. Take in F. Right, France. Right, France. Airline is Air France. Code is AF. Airline is Air France. Code is F.
Okay.
Code is F. Got it? Next, G I have already given you culture. I, India. India. You have Air India. Code is AI. Next country, Italy. Airline is Alitalia. AZ. Italy. In India, you can add one more airline, Indigo. SpiceJet. Find out that. Find out for that. Okay. Now we come J, Japan. So this you find out of this one, the Indian, all that you find out. That's your homework. Where did we come to? Japan. Japan. Airline is Japan Airlines. Code is Uh, both the sports you write for Japan because they have two airlines. Their main airline is All Nippon Airways. Write this also. For Japan,
JL.
I'm giving you two airlines. Sorry. This is one. Code is NH. And these are two Japanese airlines. Not JAL, sorry, JL. JL. This see the spelling, huh? Kazakhstan. It is Air Kazakhstan and it is K4, the code. Next country is Kuwait. Next country is Kuwait. Airline is Kuwait Airways. Kuwait Airways. KU. Code is KU. Next country, Korea South. Give me a minute, please excuse me for a minute. Okay, you got Korea, South Korea. They also have one more airline, Korean Air. Korean Air. Basically, Korean Air and the code is KE. Next country, Kenya. Kenya. Airline is Kenya Airways. Code is KQ. After every alphabet, please leave 2 lines so I can add if I miss something, okay? I missed something, so this is for you again. In E, put Egypt. Egypt Air, code is MS. Egypt Air, code is MS. Put it in E. Where have we come? Hmm. Okay.
Kenya.
Yeah, okay.
Kenya Airways.
Missed one in. Okay, missed one in I. So put Iberia. Airline is Air Iberia. Code is IB. We did Kenya last, right? Come to L. Country Laos. Next, Malaysia.
AirAsia, right?
Yes, very good, excellent. Who's this? Excellent. What's your name?
Krishna Prasad.
Very good, Krishna.
Thanks, ma'am.
AK. They have two airlines. They have Malaysian Airlines also. Malaysia Airlines. Has anybody heard any news about Malaysia Airlines in the last 2 years? Any big news about Malaysia Airlines? Next, Maldives. The Maldives IATA designator is not code is not given. I will give it to you later, so leave it for the time being. Come to Myanmar, which was, you know what Myanmar was earlier called? You know what?
Burma.
It was yes, Burma.
Burma.
Correct, Burma. So in Mandalay, code is 60. Next is Nepal. Sorry, spelling mistake. Nepal. Airline is Royal Nepal Airlines. Code is RA. Next, Pakistan. Pakistan International. Sri Lankan Airlines. IATA code UL. Sri Lankan Airlines. IATA code UL. Next country is Sudan. Sudan Airways, SD. After that, Scandinavia. Airlines is Scandinavian Airlines.
Ma'am, can you repeat after Sri Lanka again?
Sri Lanka is the country. Sri Lankan Airlines. Sri Lankan Airlines. Code is UL. Then comes Sudan Airways. Country is Sudan. Airlines is Sudan Airways. Code is ST. Country is Scandinavia. Airline is Scandinavian Airlines. Code is ST. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, okay. Next country is Switzerland. Switzerland. Airline is called Swissair. Code is next country, Syria. Airline is Syrian Air. Syrian Air SV.
Ma'am, it is of which country?
Syria.
Syria.
I'm writing the country and I've written SV. The airline is Syrian Air. Next country, South Africa. Airline is South African Airlines. South African Airlines, code is SA. Okay, Saudi Arabia, it's okay, there is a slight mistake. You are asking me about Saudi Arabia, right? Saudi Arabia is SV and Syria Airways, write RB. Syria, correct it to RB. And Saudi Arabia, write SV. So SU remains Aeroflot. Got it? I'll also correct it.
South African code. South Africa.
Sorry?
South Africa. South Africa. Here.
South Africa, I'm giving. You have to go? When are you going? South African Airlines SA. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Let me also correct my book. Saudi Arabia is SV, right? And what did I say was RB was Syrian Air. Okay. S, we are done with S. We come to T. Turkey.
Okay.
Turkey. We are not doing cities,
Oh,
we are doing
Turkey.
countries. We are doing countries. Tokyo is a
Okay,
city
okay.
in Japan.
Yes, I
Okay.
know. I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we do Turkey. Turkish Airlines. Turkish Airlines. Turkish Airlines. Designation code TK. Next country, Ireland. Ireland. Airline is Thai Airways. See, these some are not in your book, okay? I'm giving you extras, whatever I have, which are important for you. Thailand, Thai Airways, TG. Go back
And
to
what is the airline?
Thailand, Thai Airways. Thai Airways. Go back to P and just put in Portugal. Airline is TAP Air. Portugal is PP, what you generally do. Go back to P, Poland. Airline is code is now we finished with T, right? Go back to M. Mauritius, important again. We have a lot of tourism there, a lot of people coming, going for holidays to Mauritius and honeymoons to Mauritius. So we need to know this. MK is the code. Now we come to, where did I come? T, right? We come to U. USA. Country. American Airlines, AA. United Kingdom. Airline and code. British Airways, BA. They have two important ones. I'll give you both. British Midlands, BD. I missed another important one in G. Germany. Add it in G, Germany. That's why I said leave one or two lines in case we forget. Okay, next country, again go to P, like Philippines. Airline is Philippine Airline and it's PR. Philippines is the country. Can you repeat? Country name is Philippines. Put an S there. Philippines. Airline is Philippine Airlines. Code is PR. In USA, there is one more airline you need to know. United Airlines. Code is UA. This is in USA. Next. You'll all know the airlines, I'm sure. Yes or no? You know the airlines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the name of the airline?
Emirates.
Emirates.
Tomorrow I'll ask you all the codes also. Airline pat bolega and you have to say the code also tomorrow. Emirates. Got it? EK. Sorry, I've written it without a EK. Emirates EK. Another airline important of UAE.
Ma'am, what is the country name of United Airlines?
United Airlines added in USA. USA.
Okay, ma'am.
You have this Etihad, other airline. EY is the code. Next country, Uganda. Airline is Uganda Airlines. Code is come to Vietnam. Next country, Vietnam Airlines. Code is Vietnam Airlines. Code is VN. Next country, Yemen. Next country, Zambia. Next country, Zimbabwe. This is the last four. This is the last code in this city. So these are your ITA codes which you have to study. These most of these my Etihad spelling is wrong. Just correct it, otherwise you will write wrong. Etihad. Etihad. This is the right spelling. I've written the wrong spelling. These are the codes that you have to know, the airline names and the codes. These are all the important cities that we've given you. Tomorrow will be, and day after, 2 days, we'll be only doing revision of all the things, those who have missed, and catch up on it, and those who haven't missed, be ready for our question answer. If you all want to take chutti, tell me now only. I will give you a random test. Okay? So, next topic, your again we start with A, B, C, D, E. Okay? So write this heading, Indian city codes. Can you put your cameras on, please? Have you written? Good. I'd like to see some faces instead of just a blank screen. If I put my screen blank, how would you feel? Feels the same way. So I would like to see you. Indian city codes, we start with A. First city, Agartala. Code is IXA. Next city. I'm giving you the code with this. Amritsar, APQ. Next, Ahmedabad, AMD. Ahmedabad, AMD. You want me to write the spellings?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'll write the difficult one. As1, AKD, Akola, AKD. Come to B. Always leave 2 lines. Come to B. Next city, Bagdogra. Bagdogra. IXB. Sorry, IXB. Next is Bhavnagar. BHU. Sorry?
IXB.
IXB, not AXB, IXB. Did I give you Bhavnagar? BHU.
Spelling of Bow.
Bow.
Ah, yes.
BHU.
Okay.
Next, Bhubaneswar. You should know the spellings of the Indian cities at least. BBI. Next is Bhopal. Bhavnagar code is BHU. Next is Bhopal. BHO. Next is Bengaluru. BLR.
BLR.
Yes. Next is Bhuj, BHJ. We come to C. If you want a break, just let me know. I'll give you a break for 5 minutes. Because it used to be called Madras before, right? So it was MAA. The city names change, but codes don't change. So, like even today, Bombay is called Mumbai, but we don't write MUM, we still write BOM. Okay? So, Madras, Chennai remains MAA. Cochin. Next is Coimbatore.
Coke. COK.
Yeah, Coke, yeah. There's no E with it, so we have to COK. We never say Coke, we say COK. Okay? Yeah, C. No, CJB. Next city, Cochin. CJB Coimbatore. Chandigarh. Next. IXC. Chandigarh IXC. Leave to 3 lines. Start with D. Darjeeling. You know the spelling of Darjeeling? What is DAI?
No.
Tell one the spelling, let me know. Next is Daman.
Darjeeling.
Daman.
Spelling, ma'am.
Darjeeling. Wrong. Daman, NMB. Dehradun, DED. Delhi. Leave 2 lines for E and 2 lines for F. We do not have any cities there right now. Next we come to G. GOI. Next, I, Imphal. Indore. Come to J, Jaipur. Jaipur, AAI. Jammu, IXJ. Next, Jamnagar, leave 2 lines, come to K. Kanpur. Code is KHU. Kolkata. It used to be Calcutta, so it was CCU. Now it remains the same, though the name is changed to Kolkata. Okay. Kozhikode, Kozhikode, whatever you want to call it. CCJ. With that we finish K. Leh, Ladakh, IXL. Next is Lucknow. Next is Lucknow, LKO. Next is Ludhiana. Ludhiana. Lakshadweep.
Ladakh.
Sorry? LUH was Ludhiana, LKO was Lucknow, Lakshadweep AGX. Come to M, Madurai. Madurai, IXM. Yeah. Mumbai. IXE is Mangalore. Come to N, Nagpur. NAG. Nanded. Nasik. Do you want a break, guys? You want a break? Let me know. Otherwise, we'll continue. Anybody want?
We can complete
Okay.
this right.
Okay.
Okay, to play.
Next, P, Pathankot. Port Blair. IXZ. Port Blair. Puttaparthi. POC. Pune. PNQ. Porbandar. PBD. Okay, so you got it, all of these? Porbandar. P.
Ma'am, in Porbandar it's P or B, I guess.
PBD. PBD.
No, the spelling of
Ah, it's
Porbandar.
correct. Why?
I guess it's B-A-N-D-E.
B8 it is.
Yeah.
I'll just check it up and let. I could be wrong, I don't know. BA, no? BA, you're right. Stand corrected. You're right. Porbandar. Okay? For BA, right? BA, please. R. Come to R. Raebareli, BEK, Rajkot, RAJ, Ranchi, IXQ. We come to S, Geelong, SH, L, Silchar, Srinagar, Surat, SCV. Srinagar is SXR. When we come to T, Tezpur, TEZ. Tiruchirappalli, TRZ. Tirupati, TIR is the code. Thiruvananthapuram, TRV. We come to you next. Udaipur, UDR. We come to V, Varanasi, VNS. Vadodara, which was initially Baroda. So this remains VDQ. The old name for Vadodara was Baroda, which is in Gujarat. Vijayawada, VGA, Vijayawada VGA, Visakhapatnam, VTZ, Vizag, PIZ, incoming. In Google and find out where this place is. Zero. Okay. So with this we finish. We finish all the city codes, and we I've given you the other codes as well. Take a 5-minute break. I'm at 4:30, 2:30. Okay? See you at
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
IL back. Yeah, today I'll finish with all the codes. Actually, I started from page 61 to the last designating the codes and all. I missed 3 pages which I will complete tomorrow because it will be too much for you all right now. So I need to give you, we have done Indian city codes. Let's do international codes. There are some very important cities. A lot of aircrafts come from there. We have a lot of traffic from there. So it's not part of your books. Again, I'm giving it to you. So please write it down. The important country codes you need. This was the city, Indian city codes. What I'm giving you now is the important country codes. Okay, another thing I missed out, I will tell you. When you wrote this airline codes, go to D. Go to D. Denmark. Did I give you Scandinavia? Did I give you Scandinavia in S?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So cancel D and I'll give you another one. Yeah, write this one. Go to Indonesia in I. Airline is Indonesian airline. Am I hearing my echo? And they I'll give you the codes later. Add 2 airlines. Add the important airline is also called Garuda. I'll give you all the codes later. Just remind me to give it to you later. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to.
No, yeah, cancel that. Leave it for now. I will. There is some confusion there. I'll just find out whether it's the right one. Okay. Okay. Take the international codes. Start with A again. Amsterdam. AMS. Abu Dhabi. AUH. Athens. ATH. Birmingham. BHY. Brussels. We are AMS. Brussels. Brew Coffee, BRU. Bahrain. BAH.
Kuwait.
Sorry? Bangkok, BKK. Copenhagen, CPH, Cairo, CAI, Chicago, CHI, like I was telling you that in Chicago's, just listen, okay? Chicago's city capital is CHI. Chicago has two major airports. It is O'Hare and another one. When it's landing at a particular airport, they give O'Hare's code like ORD. But for right now, for y'all, Chicago is enough to learn. That eventually y'all will learn. Detroit, PPT. Dhaka, PAC. Dubai, BXB. Dallas, PAL. Sorry. Some problem with my computer. Dar es Salaam, Dar es Salaam, PAR. Tehran, Doha. Leave two lines for E, come to F. Frankfurt. Does anybody know where Frankfurt is? Anybody knows where Frankfurt is? Where is this city? Important city, business, also business people very. Yeah, I heard something, correct.
Germany.
Where is it? Yes, in Germany, very good. Where is Geneva? Anybody knows where is Geneva?
Proceed.
Switzerland. Switzerland. Hong Kong. Istanbul. Jakarta is the capital of which country? Jakarta is the capital of which country?
Ma'am, Indonesia.
Correct. Very good. Johannesburg. It's pronounced as Johannesburg. The J is pronounced as J. Right now. Where is the city of Jeddah situated? Anybody can tell me?
Saudi.
Correct.
Saudi Arabia.
Yes, holy city is there. Kuwait, KWI. Next is Kuwait. After that, we come to Khartoum. KRT. When we come to Karachi, tell me where is this next city situated? Kuala Lumpur. Tell me, anybody?
Singapore.
No.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Yeah, it's capital of
Okay.
Malaysia. Malaysia, not Singapore. Los Angeles. Then come. Yes, correct. Come to Lisbon.
Australia. Australia.
No.
England.
No. Find out the city and Lisbon where it is. That's your homework.
Portugal.
Find out for tomorrow. All of you. Learn where the city is. Manila. Anybody knows which is the capital? Manila is the capital of which country? The easy ones I'm asking.
Philippines.
Correct. Excellent. Moscow, capital of which country? Moscow is so easy. Which country?
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Why does it take you so long? Manchester, code is man. Muscat, code is MCT. Moscow is MOW. Then you come to Miami, the most beautiful city. Again, the code is mile. Come to Munich. You know where is Munich? Again, very important city. Munich.
In Germany.
Yes, correct. Germany is very important city. Munich, Bonn, Frankfurt, very important city. New York. Anybody knows the code of New York? Most easy. Where does Nairobi come? Where is Nairobi?
Kenya.
Africa. Correct. Nairobi is in Kenya. Oslo, OSL. Oslo. Perth. PER. Perth. Another important city, Riyadh. RUH is the code. Come to San Francisco. SFO is the code. SFO. Singapore, after this code is SIN. Sydney. Again, very important. Where does Sydney come?
Australia.
Yes, correct. Taipei. Where does Tokyo come?
Japan.
So I have given you only the important city codes we have to know. Okay?
What's the code for Tokyo?
TYO. TYO. I have mostly given you all everything. So, yeah. One more. Go back to the airline names, airline codes, and put in this one in N. Netherlands. The airline is called Royal Dutch Airlines. Into brackets, put KLM. KLM. I think the code is KL, but they haven't given it to you. I will give you the code of the airline later. Also in B, take this one. You guys are still there? Can you hear me? Sorry, I don't know. So these are basically all the important ones that I've given you. Did I give you? Yeah, 1 minute. Did I give you Hong Kong's airline? Just check whether in your books Hong Kong. In H. Have I given? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Write Hong Kong. And write airline's name, Cathay Pacific. The code is CX. This is for H, Hong Kong. I don't think I have missed anything else. Yeah, I've covered up most of it. So I've given you the airline codes today, I've given you the Indian cities today, and I've given you the international codes today. Tomorrow we will be doing this one part of abbreviations or meanings, airport terms. Some terms, I will do the terms from the book, and I will give you some terms on my own as well. Tomorrow, what is important to you? So we will go through that tomorrow. Tomorrow's homework, revision of module 1 and 2. Each of you will put your cameras on, and each of you are going to answer whether you have your camera on or not. I am not going to let anybody go tomorrow, so please see that you read it. I'm not going to ask you word by word, but general what we have taught, module 1 and module 2. So module 1 and the entire module, Thursday and Friday, we'll be doing a revision. Anybody has missed a class, as I told you earlier, that all the classes are recorded. You can go back there, listen to the class and do it. Notes, mostly you will get the notes also there because you probably hear me speaking. What is not there, I'm sure you've made a WhatsApp group so you can contact each other and get it. So I'll see you all tomorrow at 1 o'clock again tomorrow. I'll finish this one part of the module that's left of number 5 module, and we are done with airport management. We'll be doing a revision again so that those who have missed it will catch up again. Okay? Yeah?
Today is my first class, so I don't have any clue about the first module, and also I have not added to the WhatsApp group. Can you please add me?
Can you put your camera on? Let me see you.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
That's Kushi speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you joined today only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, welcome to class. I'm sure one of these guys, can you all add her? Who's the admin in your group? Shubham, do you know who's the admin?
Present, sir, Karan and Vishwadi.
Okay. Okay, so you can ask Faisal sir and yeah, one of them you can ask them to add you in the group so that you can get the notes. And we'll be doing a revision anyway, so whatever you missed. Plus, he's told me to inform you all that you can go on the YouTube and module 1, module 2, start going on the modules. Any questions you have on Wednesday, we'll sort out the questions. Okay? Bye bye. See you. Goodbye. Have a nice day. I'd like to hear a thank you from all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Bye bye. See you. See you tomorrow, same time. Okay? Bye. Thank you.
Hold your head high, here we go. Here we go. The sky is so high. If you don't know how to fly, here we go. Aim for easier to make you fly. I'm gonna fly one day. Sure, I'm gonna fly one day. And it's gonna feel so right someday. I'm gonna fly one